Today we're out hunting rare Pokemon cards. We found some last week. Let's see if we can do it again. Oh, whoa! We got Alakazam in stock, guys. What else we got? Wow, crazy. We have the Paldea Evolved. We have the Shrina EX. I've never even seen that many Paldea Evolved. We have a Jirachi V. What do we have here? A24. A24. I don't know why I do this anymore, guys. These are all A24s. I'm just gonna... Oh, I spoke too soon. J21. Okay, we might have to check this out. Now, I have heard these might have evolving skies, so we might have to take these for a spin. What I keep hearing is that our C23 is not evolving skies. I will grab one to take home and check out and see what is actually inside of these. Here's what we have so far. 2 big chances at evolving skies. I have a good feeling about this. We might have a redemption from our last 10 we bought that was not Evolving Skies. I'm almost tempted to get these Paldea Evolved. I really like the art on them. Sleeves look nice. But yeah, for $45, yeah, I'd say that's probably a good pickup there. Paldea Evolved. The Serena EX. Put it over here so people can see what we got. Whoa, $45. Yeah, that's a no. You could get that on Black Friday for $20. What do you think about that, Clefairy? Oh, you're happy about it? Huh, okay. Oh, this is new. Zapdos, Articuno, the Fusion Strike, and Astral Radiance. And then we also have some more of these tins. Just a couple left. Dark Pikachu. Are you hiding anything back here? You're hiding another Pikachu. Oh my god. There's so many of them. Shrouded Fable Kingdra set is nice. I mean, if you want just the card, which, I mean, look at that card. It's really cool. I would say just get the card itself and avoid buying all this Shrouded Fable for $30. You can do a lot better. Let's have a look over here at the front of this Walmart, and it's got Yu-Gi-Oh! In the Pokemon boxes now. We got Yu-Gi-Oh! In the Pokemon boxes now? Is this Pokemon now? I guess that's Pokemon now. Oh, here we go. Grand Adventure Collection. Ursaluna EX Collection Box. Got some Surging Sparks inside of there, of course. You have your Charizard. A lot of packs in here. 6. These are not going to last through the week. I'll tell you what. You have your Koraidon and your Mirrodin EX. These tins right here are going to be the Crown Zenith. You have your guys sitting around, you have your other guys kind of standing around, you have the puppy dog. Over here we do have the Twilight Masquerade in stock. You have your Shrouded Fable Elite Trainer boxes. I'm really not seeing them around anymore. You have your Charizard EX Premium Collection and Temporal Forces. I mean, very weird to see Temporal Forces sitting here. $54.97 for that. This is what you look like when you first wake up. This is what you look like. Way more Switches in stock over here at Walmart. And guess what? They cleaned the controller. We have this 2 blister pack of, this is going to be Astral Radiance and Fusion Strike. Really not a bad deal. You get the promos in there, the Articuno, Zapdos, and Moltres. If you're looking for something to pick up for the holidays, it's getting to that point where that might be your best play. You have these tins in stock here, $9.98. These are all C23, so they're going to have, I'm actually not sure. We're going to find that out later. Let's check out the Pokeballs. A24, 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 A24. You have some tins here. Scarlet and Violet Paradox Rift booster packs, 3 of them. I wonder how much that is. Not sure what's in these tins. You have your Jirachi V over here. Jirachi V has 4 booster packs. What's inside? Looks like Obsidian Flames, an Astral Radiance, Paldea Evolved, and another Obsidian Flames inside of this pack. Your Tyranitar. This was on sale at Black Friday for $20. Now it is $44. Oh my god. It is a really cool pack. You have a lot of packs inside. You have 6 total. This right here is like a holder for your cards. So you can put that Tyranitar EX inside of there. These are sleeves to hold your cards. Protect your cards, of course. You have your etched foil, your 2 foil Lavatar and Pupitar, and magnetic card protector, and the sleeves. Squirtle, no! What have they done? Are you okay? Oh, he winked at me. He must be okay. All right. Okay, guys, let's see what the front of the store looks like. Whoa, this is not looking good for Christmas. Only a few Stellar Crown here. What do we have here? Oh, no, not those. We don't want those. Those are no good. Mirrodin EX tins, and you got the Koraidon back here as well. Not really a great play. Have some of these Crown Zenith tins, so if you like Crown Zenith, hey, they're starting to put some of these out. Here's that collector's box. A good Christmas gift there for sure. Shrouded Fable booster packs. Oh, nobody wants those. Speaking of stuff nobody wants, just in time for Christmas, you have the Trick or Trade, big stack of those. Your Charizard EX, And your Ursaluna EX. Well, a lot of those in stock, so that's good. You also have your Charizard EX in stock. Plenty of protection here for your cards. They've restocked, which is good, but that's not what people want. People want the Pokemon cards, which we're not seeing a lot here, at least at the front of this Walmart. Let's see what's in stock at this Target. Looks like we have some ETBs in stock here at Target. Your Silver Tempest, your Astral Radiance, Brilliant Stars, and one Lost Origin. I know we saw these last week, but they are still in stock. I wouldn't expect these to last too awful long with Christmas right around the corner. These are a reference to the movie Minions. If you've seen the movie Minions, these are in that. We have in stock over here at the front section. Whoa, lots of Surging Sparks, $5.99. And that's a pretty good deal for Surging Sparks anymore. Your little token inside. Silver Tempest, ETB. You have your Surging Sparks here. Uh-oh, somebody's trying to get inside. Surging Sparks tins, those are cool, those are nice. It's not all Surging Sparks inside. There are random other packs, I think still a Crown inside. We opened one of those boxes a little while back. Tropicos EX 119 and your Charizard EX. There he is, still hanging around. Cleavor and your Ogerpon here at the front of Target. Where them Pokemon cards at? Pokey, mama, Pikachu. All right, we're over in the holiday section. Whoa, hello, Big Chungus. We have the Tropicos and Friends. Of course, we've seen this before. Surging Sparks, Stellar Crown, Obsidian Flames, Surging Sparks, and your promos inside of here. A cool collection. Not really what we're looking for today. We got Lorcana, man. Lorcana stocked up here. The Ogerpon EX. You're going to get 2 Surging Sparks cards, or packs, I should say, inside of here. Some Stellar Crown, it looks like. So that is $39.99 for the Ogerpon collection. It's a cool collection. They also have the Terra Team in stock. It's $69.99. Good gravy. But, I mean, check out these promos. They're pretty cool, huh? You're not going to really have a lot of the more desirable packs inside of here. It's 9 packs total, which is why it's so expensive. If you're looking to just rip a bunch of packs, it might not be your worst play. And that's cool, too. Terrapagos EX. Super Premium Collection. Is that what it's called? Yeah, I think so. A lot of Stellar Crown inside of this. Guys, what's going on over here in the Lego section? Is there something I should know about? You guys going crazy on the Legos, are you? What about Wednesday? You gonna just leave Wednesday here on the show? I've never seen all the switches be gone from Target like that. And over here also, what is this? Oh, this is a racing car. Well, if you want a honky horn, those are all gone as well. Ready for some sadness? This is where they used to have Pokemon cards. They don't have Pokemon cards anymore. Not here. Not at Target. All gone. Completely wiped out. Wow. Even like they did it. They sold out. They sold out of the trick or treat. Finally. We've returned back to the Pokemon Command Center, and we're going to crack open both of these guys and see what's inside. I'm going to start with this tin here and see if this is Evolving Skies. That's what we're looking for inside of here. The bottom does say C23. I've heard this is not Evolving Skies, so we'll find out. And oh, look at that. So inside you have a Pikachu, and you also have the art card that is found on the front. And I have inside Astral Radiance and Lost Origin. Hey, I like both of these packs, so I am not dissuaded by that. But so you know, C22 has Evolving Skies, and what is this? C23 does not. All right, let's check out the Pokeball. I have high hopes on this one that the J21 is in fact going to have Evolving Skies. If you see right there, that Pokeball behind me was one that we opened a couple weeks back, and it did not, in fact, have Evolving Skies, but I believe that was J22. So older numbers, or I should say smaller numbers, are more likely to have Evolving Skies than the newer numbers. So a J21 more likely, C22 more likely than a C23. Okay. I didn't want it to go flying everywhere. All right. Oh, Scarlet and Violet base. Blech. That's not what we want. So we have our Quaxley coin, of course. We have our Scarlet and Violet base. We have our, I'll put it here so you guys can see, Paldea Evolved. Are we going to get it? I'm starting to feel like maybe a no on that. And Obsidian Flames! No! No! I could have swore this was going to have Evolving Skies inside. Well, that is a pretty big failure. 2 in a row for me. You know, I could look them up and just see what's inside before I buy them, but where's the fun in that? So we'll go put this on the shelf of shame now that it's becoming. And we'll just have to look at it until we do find a tin with Evolving Skies, which actually could just never happen at this point because they're starting to be phased out. Oh well. And there we go. 2 Pokeballs of shame now on display. Unfortunately, they are the same as well, which is extra annoying for me. Hit that thumbs up if you liked the video. Subscribe if you have not, and I will see you in the next video.